Good morning,
Hi, good morning everyone. Have a seat.
I'm good. I'm ready. I'm happy.
Wait, I haven't asked you about your day today. I just tell you have a seat. Duduk aja. Sini. Hi, good morning everyone.
Good morning,
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm ready. I'm happy.
Okay, so before we start our class today, still recording, still running, right? Before we start our class today, let's open our class today by praying together. Pray begin. Pray finish. Thank you so much for praying together. So, Harvey, I want you up to first. Have you got breakfast before?
No.
Oh, do you feel so hungry or not?
Yes.
Do you want to eat now?
Yes.
Me too. But who has got breakfast? Who has got breakfast? Who has got breakfast? Oh yes, have you got breakfast? What is the menu of your breakfast? Pizza. Oh my god. Okay, have you got breakfast?
No.
Oh not yet. You got breakfast is no. Oh not yet. Who has got breakfast? Yang sudah sarapan dari pagi bisa. Who has got breakfast before you come to my class? Who has got breakfast? No one? Only you? Oh my god. What do you want to eat after finishing my class? What do you want to eat? Makan apa di sini? What do you want to eat? Fried chicken. Oh my god. What do you want to eat after finishing my class? What? Oh, burger. Oh yes. Oh, see? What do you want to eat after finishing my class? Oh, tiger. Oh yeah. Okay, so I want you walk you first now. Maybe after this break we'll take class. Okay. Oh yeah. I want you walk you. Who is not coming to our class today? Who is not coming? Siapa datang hari ini? Who is not coming to our class today?
Amos.
Oh, Amos. Where is Amos? Where is Amos? Oh, getting sick.
Yeah.
Oh, Amos is getting sick. I will call you first right now, yeah? I will try to call you first. Please start calling this way. Let's go. Sianto. Who's good? Yeah, Sianto is coming. And next is Aldi. Yes, Aldi is coming too. And the next is Angel. Angel is there. Alright. The next is Zafori. Oh, Zafori. Alright. And the next is Glory. The next. Oh yeah, Glory. Good job. The next one is sorry, I forgot the name. Rafi. Oh yeah, sorry, Rafi. The next is Jirahel. Yes, Jirahel is coming. The next is Misha. Okay, Misha. Narendra. Oh, that one, yeah. Arsen. Yes, that's right. Good job. And what is Kania? What is Kania? Kania where? What is Kania? Who is Kania?
She's sick.
Oh, she is getting sick. Oh, okay. Kania is getting sick. Oh yeah, what is the meaning of sick? How the art music kita sick? Berarti sabar ya. Yeah, the meaning of sick is sakit. Sakit. Okay. Sick. how do you feel today? Do you feel happy or sad or excited? Wonderful. What do you feel? Happy or what? But happy, you feel happy today. What do you feel happy? Happy, you? I'm happy too. Happy, okay. Wonderful, beautiful. Oh, what is that? Oh, happy. What do you feel now? Happy, what do you feel now? You feel happy, yeah? But you are excited, and what do you feel now? You are happy too? Okay. Okay, so finally, so after this we will discuss together about the lesson of. I want to walk you first. First, the meaning of besar ini. Besar bahasa Inggris. Big. But what is the meaning of lebih besar? Lebih besar. Bigger. Yeah. But what is the meaning of ganteng kayak aku? Handsome. Lebih ganteng. More handsome. Jadi yang ada lebih-lebihnya itu adalah materi yang akan kita bahas hari ini. That is about degree of comparison. Yay! Yes. So in this lesson we will discuss, kita akan diskusi tentang something important yang ada lebih-lebih, lebih canggih, lebih pintar, lebih tinggi dan lain sebagainya. Live, check it out. Finish. Keluar ya? Pintar ya. Mouse dulu sebentar. Dah, ya.
Dah.
Yay! So finally, the lesson today is done. So, oh yeah. Before that, I will close the class of this. But before I close the class, do you have any question to me? Do you have any question to me? Pause dulu kan? Pause. Okay, so by the way, before we close our class today, do you understand about the subject before? Do you understand? Yes? Yeah, of course. But before we close our class today, do you have any question to me? Oh yes, what's up? So you can say more expensive. Yes, more expensive. Okay, so who else want to ask me?
Bahasa Inggrisnya lebih murah apa?
Murah bahasa Inggrisnya adalah cheap. Lebih murah adalah tinggal tambahkan mereka berarti. Please cheap. Cheaper, yes, basically cheaper. No, thank you. Next, yeah, what? Lebih cantik bahasa Inggris apa? Cantik apa? Oh, beautiful, lebih berarti tambahkan more. More beautiful. Kalau lagi once again. No one again. Okay guys, so thank you for coming to my class and thank you for being together with me. So let's go to my class today. Are you happy in my class? Happy?
Yes.
Let's go to my class today. We can meet again next time. Bye-bye.
Udah nih.